and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you how to do a creative look. But today will be less talking and more doing. So let's get started. To start, I'm going to use this yellow Dala painting and I'm just going to apply it in the inner corner of my eye. Next we will be going in with Revolution Redemption Palette Mermaid versus Unicorns. So I'm only going to use the green shades. After I've applied the green over the yellow, I'm going to use my Crayolan green in the crease of my eye. Now that my green is done, I'm going in with this white color from Crayolan, adding it in under my brow line as my highlight. Next up is some glitter. So these glitter I bought at Chinatown. So if you use glitter on your face, you do it at own risk. I'm going to use my greenish colors as a bit of contouring, apply it like this on my temples, creating like a shadowy look. I'm going to use my MAC blusher for my contouring. And then it's time to end off this look with amazing face jewelry, face gems. Just look at this. And then also a green lip. I'm going to use the face paint from Dala Painting. And I'm going to add some lashes. So I will be back soon. And there it is, a creative green look. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel, give it some thumbs up, share it with your friends, and also follow me on Instagram or Facebook to see some more of my work. And stay tuned every Monday for a new Mia makeup tutorial. Bye!